You know, I'll say something and that'll piss people off. This gladiatorial fight is symbolically the same thing as what a Carrie Minati does. India enjoys roasting because India doesn't get to roast. It has to hold itself back and be public niceties all the time and pretend like we like each other. In private, we would love to go at each other.
Yeah.
That warring part is, and it's very Indian to do that. To have this, if you go to Punjab, you go to Haryana, you go in the interiors, the sing-song fashion in which they insult you without insulting you is very much part of our system. Our languages are formed around it. And if you take that out from all public discourse, then it becomes very
No,
fake.
that's a culture thing.
अच्छा?
हाँ.
It's
अलग
here,
जगहों में
Punjab,
अलग
Haryana. हाँ.
तरीके से होता है and it's different. It's different in some. See, the reason. Sorry, have I moved it?
Yeah. उसको मैं कर देता हूँ. हाँ. Yeah, just keep it. हाँ.
So I've lived, I mean, in the sense that I'm a South Indian who lives in the north, right? So I have seen both. And नहीं होता, हर culture में नहीं होता. Like, it's like, यहाँ पे you can actually sit with your relatives and you can abuse about other relatives. It
right.
doesn't happen.
In South?
In the South.
Ah,
I mean, I can't say South isn't complete South.
Sure.
But in many South Indian cultures and some parts of South India or even in East,
Sure.
you don't. It's like if that person is तुम्हारे चाचा हैं तो तुम कभी नहीं बोलोगे चाहे जितना
कुछ भी हो
गया
जाए.
गुजरा हो या
Got it.
चाचा मामा ताया whatever is the South Indian equivalent which is चिकपा or atte or whatever is the word, you will not. You know, so he could be whatever but you will not, and your parents will not let you.
Right. I get
Even as a chatty thing they will not let you. Even as a mazak they will not let you.
it. Right.
So, you know, so what happens? There is that daba hua thing, right? So when you see that roasting happening on TV, you love it.
Yeah. It's voyeuristically enjoying something I wish I could do. Yeah.
So which you can't do to your relatives and your cousins and whatever because
Or your
even-
neighbors or whatever.
Your neighbors,
Yeah, or your
right?
boss. Yeah.